Hello, children. How are you all? In the previous class, we had started the new poem, Modern Missionary, written by Rudyard Kipling. Before starting today's session, we'll recollect the first stanza of this poem. The first stanza describes the process of their creation, which begins with the appropriate minerals and other raw materials which are being transported from the mine to the manufacturing unit. The raw materials are mixed in a proper proportions in different furnaces at mostly high temperature to extract the metal. These are formed in various shapes according to the design drawn up by the engineers. And depending upon the plan, the metals are cut, machined, milled into correct dimensions. Altogether, these parts are then assembled, making sure that they will fit to construct the machine. Open your textbook, children, page number 101. Now I'll be reciting the second paragraph. Follow as I read. Some water, coal, and oil is all we ask, and a thousandth of an inch to give us play. And now, if you will set us to our task, we will serve you 4 and 20 hours a day. Moving on to the explanation, the machines state that all that they need to function are the fuels and the coolants, such as coal, water, and oil, and a place to set the machine. In this stanza, play refers to functioning of a machine. In executing the task given by the human beings, the machines seek only a modest tolerance in the manufacturing process. While the place is provided, they start to serve the human beings as per the instructions. Machines say that it can serve for human beings 24 hours a day. Third stanza. We can pull and haul and push and lift and drive. We can print and plow and weave and heat and light. We can run and race and swim and fly and dive. We can see and hear and count and read and write. New word which we come across in this stanza is howl, which means pull or drag with a lot of force. In this stanza, machines speak about the functions it can perform. So, in first category, it can pull, haul, push, lift, or drive, as in the lifts or in the cranes. In another category, machines can be useful for such diverse tasks such as printing, plowing, weaving, heating, and lighting, as in power generations. Machines are also useful in a sports activities such as to race, run, swim, fly, and dive. In another category, we can make the use of the machines for seeing, hearing, counting, reading, and writing purposes. So there are various uses which the machines provide for the human beings. Moving on to the fourth paragraph. But remember, please, the law by which we live. We are not built to comprehend a lie. We can neither love nor pity nor forgive. If you make a slip in handling us, you die. Two new words which we come across in this stanza is first one, comprehend, which means understand or grasp. Second one, slip, slide, or skid. Here, the poet Rudyard Kipling tells us that machines remind that they are strictly governed by the law of physics in their functioning. They don't experience human feelings such as love, pity, and be able to forgive. Thus, warn the human beings to be very careful while handling, or else be ready to bear the consequences up to death in the case of mishandling. Moving on to the last stanza. Though a smoke may hide the heavens from your eyes, it will vanish and the stars will shine again. Because for all our power and weight and size, we are nothing more than children of your brain. One new word which we come across here is vanish, which means disappear. Moving on to the explanation, the machines could produce a sort of a smoke screen which can temporarily conceal the fact that it is the human beings are true gods. But it vanishes in a short while, and the stars appear again in the clear sky. Machines are aware that they are nothing more than the children of the human brain, and they have no power without man's acquiescence. I hope you all have understood the explanation of the poem. Now, we will move towards assignment. Assignment of the day. First one, what do machines ask for their survival? Second, how long will the machines serve us? Third one, what is the law the machines have to abide by? Thank you, children. See you in next class.